part of why we're able to get a lot of our projects done on a very, very fast timeline is because we have this machine that allows us to take that CAD rendering that we do with the client, get approval on, and use the machine to accurately cut all of the pieces out, so that way it removes a lot of the trial and error. So this has been one component that we made an investment to purchase last year that we've been super happy with, and it's offered us the ability to give our clients better quality products on a much faster timeline. I can confidently say that if we did not have this machine, that this van would have at least taken 6 months because of all of the intricate cut and all of the intricate items that the client requested. Now I'm in the rear of Stone's van, and so this is where he is actually going to be doing all of the work on these golf clubs. So you'll notice that we've got little cutouts for him right here. So this is meant to actually house the golf clubs. Lots of storage here. So he's got drawers for all of the various equipment that he needs. This is a trickster drawer because he's got lots of big equipment that needs to be stored, but we didn't want it to look clunky in here. Cabinets, he's got upper radius cabinets, he's got lighting, he's got his pegboard here. Here's where he has his register printer, his 5G router. One of our biggest things here is there's a lot of equipment that he needs. Golf clubs are tricky, right? There's lots of different stuff that you need for, just like there's lots of different stuff that you need to build vans. But we wanted to make sure that at the very least it looked clean in here for him. And that also it was very well lit so he could see what he's doing, because ultimately he's a craftsman and you have to have good lit space to make sure that you're doing the work appropriately. Here in the back, we created a space for him to be able to put his finished clubs. So once they're done, they go tuck into here. He's got cabinets here, and here he has an area to store all of the various grips that he's going to be using to re-grip golf clubs. So ultimately, this van took us right at about 3 weeks from start to finish when it rolled onto production. I gotta say, I think it turned out beautifully. Our client was super happy with it, and you know, we wouldn't have been able to do it without this incredible team here at Van Sharks, and also without the support of our CNC machine. Every van that we do is just a little bit different. We're a custom conversion company, and sometimes that can be a little bit tricky, but what it offers is for us the opportunity to always learn something new, whether it be a new business that we didn't know existed. It's a new power system, for example, that we weren't familiar with, and then I have the opportunity to get trained and certified on how to install. Whether it's, you know, a new design in our CAD system for our CAD designer to create custom products and solutions for clients that need them. But what we do is a lot of fun, and it's very rewarding. So when Stone came to us as a client, Stone asked us if we could install a 48-volt Victron electrical system for him. We wanted to make sure that Stone had what he wanted. And so what we did is we contracted a third-party company, and we took that also as an opportunity to learn and become a certified Victron installer. Part of the reason why having a 48-volt system was imperative for Stone is because he's running a lot of high power outage equipment. The other benefit to having a 48-volt electrical system is your batteries will last longer, they charge faster, and that gives you better reliability in the vehicle. The great thing about working with Van Sharks is because we're custom builders, we've seen a lot of different things, but there's still a lot out there that we haven't. And one of the things that we pride ourselves on is honesty and integrity. So we're never gonna tell you that we can do something that we know that we can't. I was so thoroughly impressed by the third-party company, and I was also very impressed with the trainings that they offered our team so that we could then become certified to do it for someone else later. It's a perfect example of, you know what? If we don't know it, we'll definitely tell you, but we'll find a solution for you at the end of the day, no matter what it is.